What's up YouTube, this is Allkinds coming back at you with another video. So before we get started, please remember to subscribe, hit that like button and the notification button so we don't miss any videos. So today's video, we're looking at a pair of Yeezys, what I got from Dhgate, shipped by DHL, and it only took 7 days to come. They were double box, which is brilliant, so it's kept the box in great condition. I'll just show you everybody, have a quick look. So the ones we're reviewing today are the Cloud Whites. And these cost me $120. And if you want to know any more information, hit me up on Instagram at allkinds2020. This is the BASF batch. So these are meant to be the top quality boosts. So we'll do the boost check on them and I'll let you know how they feel. And also make sure to stay to the end of the video because we will do a try on. And I'll let you know how comfy and how they feel. Also we might try them on with some shorts as summer's coming up, see what they look like. So let's have a look at these. So as always, it's come with the crepe paper, which is nice to see. We'll get both of these out. I'll just get rid of the box. I'll give you a 360 of them. So I know these have been out for quite a while now, but as summer's coming up, these are probably one of my favourite summer pairs of Yeezys. We'll have a quick look at the boost. There you go, so the boost looks really nice and squishy. So this is the BASF boost, so it should be really good. So I will let you know how they feel later. Transparent white sole there. And as you can see, I'll show you now, we haven't got any glue marks at all, which is always nice to see. So these are the one of the seller's top batches. So I always like to pay that little bit extra and get the best ones now. Have a look at the stitching. So there's a close-up of the stitching for you, so you can see it's nice crisscross on that. The laces are nice and thick. Such a nice colourway this is. We've got nice thick material. A little bit transparent in the middle as it should be. In the back of the heel, I'll show you guys there. So we've got the nice padding. Take out the inner sole, we'll have a look at that. So we've got the Adidas Yeezys. We'll flip it around. And you can see, nice imprint on that. Sole's really nice. So we take a look at the tags inside. So I've got the UK 8.5. I always go up half a size, as Yeezys do fit quite tight. So comment below, what do you think to this colourway? Is this something you will be getting for the summer? And let's take a look at the other one. So pretty much exactly the same. We've got the nice shape there, which is what you were looking for on the Yeezys. As I have seen some of the Yeezys in the past from the Dhgate and they're just not the correct shape at all. But remember, hit me up on Instagram if you want to ask me any questions. So we're going to check out the boost now. So this is the BASF boost. So we're going to use the light off my phone and see how the boost looks. So there you go, there's a good look at the close-up. So you can see all the individual parts of the boost are made up on this. Give it a good squeeze. It's nice and soft. These are going to be really comfortable. But I'll let you know how they feel when I try them on later on in the video. So we're going to do the on feet and try on, and I'll let you guys know how they fit and how they feel. So while we're doing the on feet, I'll let you guys know how they fit and how they feel. So I am pleased I've gone up half a size. They fit perfect. On most Yeezys, I do go up half a size. And the boost on these are so comfortable. They're really good. Most Yeezys are comfortable, but I do suggest go for the real boost because it does make them a lot better. And one of the reasons I'll always buy Yeezys is for the comfort. while we're watching the on feet, please remember to give this a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll keep making lots more content. So guys, that was the on feet and try on. Comment below, do you think these do go well with a pair of shorts, as I am going to be wearing these this summer? This is one of my favourite colourways, especially for the summer. I had to get these. I know they are a little bit, they've been out a while, but they are so nice. I mean, I don't know if I showed the stitching inside as well. But if you just look at that, if you can see that, everyone, the stitching inside is even nice as well in this pair. Just such a nice clean pair of Yeezys. Let us know, what pair of trainers would you like me to review next? Do you want another pair of Yeezys or something a little bit different? Comment below and let me know, and I'll try and get hold of them. And remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next one.